Hi y'all, welcome to my little creative life. In today's video I wanted to quickly share a few little things that I picked up from TEMU. This is my first time ordering from the site. Everything is like so inexpensive and everything got here pretty quickly. Not like Amazon overnight or nothing, but maybe like a week. Considering it came from overseas, I don't think that's too bad. So I'm just gonna get started. This first one is some washi tape. I got a bunch of stuff. This is just kind of the stationery crafty stuff that I picked up. So it's just like a whole roll of like sticker flakes. So it looks like a washi tape, but it's actually stickers like piled up on top of each other. I can do a swatch page here. Just pick a random page. They're so cute. A little bag of oranges. This looks like some candy. Little plastic bag. I went grocery shopping yesterday. These little washies would be perfect. What is this? A sandwich? And the oranges. So cute. I love it. Oh, there's more designs. Okay, cute, so cute. Okay, I think that's most of them. It looks like there's actually more. Oh well, I'm not gonna use them all, but those are cute. I did also get kind of another one similar to that. This one is just the fruit and veggies, and I got an extra one of these for my pen pal because this one is just so cute. It really is the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's got these little fruit like faces. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. A few of these, avocado, grapes. Oh, cute. Is that a tomato? This is Jello. That's so cute. Tomato, and then the peach. I think is the real reason I got this. Let's put down our Jello, our tomato, and then the best one, little peach. That is so cute. Oh, the peach. That one on the front because it's cute. Cute. I love those little sticker washi tapes. They're so precious. Like I said, I also got one of those little fruit washi tapes because they're just so cute for my pen pal. And then I also got her, where are they? Stickers. So these are some Black Cat kind of tarot card stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these are. I love it. So I got these for my pen pal. I'm not really a cat person, so yeah. Okay, I got some cow print washi tape. I think I already have like 2 or 3 rolls of cow print washi tape, but it's just my favorite. I was trying to see if this is any different and it doesn't look like it. It will not go to waste. I love cow print everything. Okay, the next roll of washi. This is cute little green, like garden girl kind of vibe. Let's see. Interesting. Does it have a backing on it? Ha, there we go. Found a bubble. I was able to use that to help separate. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's amazing. I love that. That's really pretty. Okay, I think there's another clear washi. Oh, butterflies. Love butterflies. Butterfly tattoo. Let's peel off the backing. Gosh, that's so cute. I love how it's transparent so you can like see the page underneath it. Anywho, next washi tape. I got a bunch of washi tapes. Like honestly, they're so inexpensive on TEMU, so I got a bunch. More butterflies, clear butterflies. Okay, here's the last one. It's so cute. I wasn't sure about these clear washies, and they are kind of annoying because you have to like take the backing off, but they're so so pretty. I love how they look. They just look so good. Okay, I got a composition notebook washi. I was so excited. I'm obsessed with composition books, obviously. So I already have this. I think I got it off Etsy. There we go. Love it. Absolute love. Look at this washi set. I'm so excited for this. It's all like plaids and gingham and like flannel, I don't know, checkered, grid. Open a cute little box. How sweet. Oh, and it's got some larger rolls, some regular size rolls, and some skinny ones. So we're starting with our orange. All right, it's the next day. I had to take a break. There was just too many washi tapes. This is the next little set that I got. Isn't it so cute? It looks like there's some like vertical ones in here, and then you can like make these cute little outfits or your own little like custom girlies with different heads and outfits. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. I love her. I love her. There's so many outfits. Oh, I have heart sunglasses. Oh my god, I love this. They're cute. These look like carnival or like fair. Could use this for Disney. Gosh, I love this one. It's like bubbles or clouds. So cute. Rainbow camera, tent, ice cream. The cutest little picnic. That's sweet. Oh, and there's like a whole town. There's buildings and stuff. That's cute. And this one looks like, oh my gosh, like fair. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's a little witch. Oh my god, that's precious. Oh, she's so cute. Icons. Palm trees and flowers. Ooh, magic. Oh my gosh, cherries. That's cute. Magic. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my god, it's sushi. It's sushi. Sushi. A sushi washi tape. I'm freaking out, guys. I'm so excited. Love it. Ooh, cute. Like Japan themed. Cute little Japan icons. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So cute. I love it. Kind of ran out of room. I didn't space these out correctly, but look at that. 2 full pages of new washi, and I still have one more set. So I need to change my camera battery out, but let's watch these beautiful butterfly washis. Look at these are huge. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They're so cute. So this is what, 24 rolls There's only like 10 feet, not even, on each roll. But like I said, I like smaller rolls of washi tape because then you can like actually get through them. So I'm just gonna start with these big boys. Okay, that was really crinkly. It's hard to get such a big piece of washi tape flat. Hopefully you can't tell. But it's so pretty. I love like the collage, butterfly, floral, little postage, pattern. Oh, there we go. Oh, this one's cute. I like the sunflowers. Oh my gosh, I love those. So pretty. And there we go, already have half a page done. So those are great page fillers. This one is so pretty. It's got gold foil butterflies. I think this is my new favorite washi tape. And it's got like pattern in the back. Gosh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This one's so cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. Obsessed. This is grass. You can put it at the bottom of the page and there's little butterflies. This is so precious. This one is really skinny. Another really skinny one. Cute. So much washi. And look at that. Perfect. Perfect. A full spread just of these 24 rolls of washi. Oh, they're so cute. I love it. Love it, love it. Love all the washi tape that we got today. Got some like pinks and cutesy kawaii ones, some like cute pastel kind of neutral or pattern ones, some wild ones, lots of butterflies, some cows and composition books, of course. But I love it. So cute. So much new washi that I cannot wait to use. Alright, just absolutely love all of the washi tapes that we got today. So cute. So we got some like sticker ones, some cow and composition. Those are like staples in my collection. Some cool like butterfly clear washi tapes. Some like pastel kind of, not neutrals, but like grids, plaids. These are just really good to throw in pretty much any layout, any journal page. A bunch of super cute kawaii little washies. These are so cute. I'm obsessed with the like the little purple witch, little magic, and a cat and the little outfits. It's so cute. I love it. And then kind of a more neutral botanical garden girl kind of vibe with these text and butterfly floral set. So love it. So many new washi tapes that I get to play with. So the last things I wanted to share, I did get a few more things, not just washi tapes. So I got these butterfly and flower little ticket sets. I love using tickets in my books. You can see here's a ticket sticking out the top right here, but I always collect tickets, like from any event, anything. And I work at, like, I do bartending, so we'll host parties and stuff, and there'll be tickets a lot of the time, so I'll take these from work, which is where I get most of them, and I collect them and stuff. But anytime there's a ticket in my life, I save it. So I love tickets in my journals, and I thought these were just kind of like a pretty elevated version of tickets. Okay, these look so cute. They come in like this little sleeve. Gosh, there's so many of them. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Wow, they're so cute. They're not really perforated, but you can just cut them apart. That is so pretty. It looks like there's a few of each design too. Oh my god, I love these. Love it, love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, those are cute. Wow, I like it. These are so cute. I'm so excited. So I'm going to use these all the time in every single journal page. You're about to get sick of them. I'm just kidding. They're so cute. How could you get sick of them? Okay, so love the little ticket books. I got 2 of them because I think there were a few different variations. I love this. I just went shopping, so I think I'm going to use these in my like journal page for that day, because I got cranberry juice, I got milk. I just think these are just the cutest little icons. And then I had to get it for the little honey bear, because I've got a dog named Honey and I have a honey bear tattoo. So I had to get that one. So cute. I love it. And a little jam. And then obviously I was on like a food theme or something, because I got these little sticker flake like grocery labels. I don't even know grocery signs. I must have been hungry or just like looking at food items. Veggies, fruit, meat, just random little signs. So yeah, I think I'll use these for like shopping days, or if I'm got something, a little coffee date or something. So cute, and I think that's everything. Okay guys, I was adding some stickers to my cover, and I was gonna use this honey bear sticker, but it's not even a sticker. I didn't even read it. It's masking tape. So this whole thing is a whole sheet of stickers, like a whole washi strip. That is so cool. I'm gonna cut it apart because I don't know where I would use this, but that is so cool. I thought these were stickers. I didn't even read it. So cute. Had to put the honey bear somewhere special for my honey dog. And my honey tattoo. So cute. Yeah. All right. So cute, right? I love it.